Contractor Foreman makes safety meetings easy. With our extensive library of over 800 safety toolbox topics and our attendance and tracking tools, we make it easy for you to stay OSHA compliant. Staying on the good side of OSHA is always a great idea. Contractor Foreman makes it easy to conduct quality safety meetings in either English or Spanish. There are also discussion questions to help ensure they understand what is being taught. To help ensure compliance, we let you keep track of who actually attended with our attendee photo feature. Automatically track attendance of employee participation, then easily see reports of attendance by topic and by date. In addition to our topics, we give you the ability to create your own safety topics. Or, if you need to, you can make changes to the stock topics we provide so that they better match your local regulations. Our safety meeting module is not only great for conducting meetings with a team, but it also allows your employees to conduct individual meetings from their own device. Start a free trial now and see how Contractor Foreman makes safety meetings easy.